I was snooping around AliExpress about 3 weeks ago trying to find something very cost effective that I could use to shoot a semblance of quality videos, and I came across this, the JumpFlash Vlogging Kit, containing very basic equipment that I could use to shoot a semblance of proper media content. Hi guys, it's Leo here, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this kit, in which I'm going to be sharing my thoughts about this kit, what exactly you can do with it, and how much cost effective this is. While you're at it, kindly hit the subscribe button below and the bell notification icon by the side to be notified about new videos whenever they drop, especially when it has to do with tech reviews, tech musings, and basically anything that comes out of my head tech. So we begin. Alright, so this is how the full package of the JumpFlash Vlogging Kit looks like. It's pretty basic, there isn't too much to it. In front of it here you have an image here indicating how the Vlog kit will look like when you fully assemble it. You have images of the components inside of the Vlog kit. On the right here you have a couple of other shenanigans here: works with camera, game voice for live streaming, recording. Behind you have the well-detailed outline of the components of this Vlog pack. You have your universal shogun microphone here, you have your 49 LED video light here, you have your smartphone mount here, and you have your pistol grip tripod. These are the four major components of this particular Vlog kit. Nothing else here to note, so I'm going to just open it up. And apologies for the way the package actually looks like. I have actually manhandled it for a while. Just open it out and take out the package here. So I keep this aside, and this is what you get in the JumpFlash Vlog kit. I forgot to note, it has a model number here for those who are going to look for this kit online. I'm going to drop a link to the description of this particular package on AliExpress in the description below. Its model number is KITOILM. That's it, written here on the left in front of the package. So the main course of this particular review, you have your shogun mic. It's looking quite nice here. It's a noise cancellation mic according to the description, but I've not yet tested it out to know how well of a noise cancellation mic it is. It looks pretty solid. It has a space for AAA batteries, of which I've also bought batteries for it as well, to improve the sound quality you get, which you connect to your device because it's meant for smartphone. It has an indicator here which shows that you can connect to a camera, and you can also switch to your phone. So I'll put the battery back here and I'll keep this aside. The next thing we have here is the smartphone stand itself. It's pretty basic, the kind of smartphone stand you get on normal tripods which are used for smartphone photography or videography. It has an extender which you can attach other components to it. I'll keep this one aside too. The next one is the 49 light LED indicator. For me personally, this is very important because I've been having issues with lightning on most of my videos, and this for me was like a stopgap solution before I can actually begin to think of getting much more expensive equipment. It also has a space for two AAA batteries, which I've also placed in here. Now to turn it on, you would need to hold this on button here on the left, press and hold. Once you do that, this is how the light looks like. To increase its intensity, you just have to press twice. It has a 3 control intensity increaser. You just press the second one, then the third one to make its intensity more. I've tested this in very dark corners, and trust me, the lighting from this particular small set is very good. To switch it off, you just have to hold the power button here on the left and it goes off. I have the Shogun handheld tripod. This is a cross between a handheld gimbal as well as a tripod. When I'm setting up the JumpFlash Vlogging Kit, I'm going to show you how to set it up to be a tripod as well as utilize it as a handheld gimbal. But it does multiple functions which you will need when you're creating your content or when you're doing your videos. So I'll keep this aside. Then finally, you have your control. You use it to either select whether you want to take pictures or whether you want to take videos. It has Bluetooth functionality. You have to connect it to your phone via Bluetooth, and then when you turn on your camera, it then controls the fact whether you can take pictures or whether you can take videos. You use a small LM battery. Sorry for that. It utilizes a small lithium battery, the one you can find in clocks and watches, to be able to perform its function. So I'm going to put that back in. You can switch it on from the left here by pressing this, and you have an indicator here which shows you that it is on, and then you can switch it off as well. It's very pertinent to note that this entire kit cost me 8,000 naira or $19.45 with the current exchange rate. So before I begin the setup, I would really want to test out the Shogun universal microphone. In the description in the particular package, when I saw it on AliExpress, they said this was a noise cancellation mic, and this is pretty much what I need a lot for my sound in my videos. Now I need to test to be sure that this really is a noise cancellation mic. Please, can you pass me the phone? Thank you very much. I'm going to connect the 3.5mm connector into the 3.5mm jack on the phone here. And once I do that, I'm going to be testing out this mic to know if it's really a noise cancellation mic. So here we go. Hi guys, it's Kanolio here. Tell me what you think about the sound quality of the universal Shogun microphone here in the JumpFlash Vlogging Kit in the comment section below. Let's look at the output. Hi guys, it's Kanolio here. Tell me what you think about the sound quality of the universal Shogun microphone here in the JumpFlash Vlogging Kit in the comment section below, and I'll test this in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I can pretty much say that I'm impressed with the sound quality that the Shogun mic actually brings. It cancels out a lot of artifacts from getting into the sound. Despite the fact that it's connected, I did not switch it from the camera to the phone or the mobile view. It still did a good job of cancelling out sound. The next thing I'm going to test is the pistol grip tripod. Now I'm kind of curious about this. It sounds like a cheap cross between a manual handheld gimbal and a tripod on its own. That will be shown when I'm doing the setup. The third thing I want to actually test here is this, the remote control. Quick and how easy is it to use. The bigger button here is for camera 360 for iOS. I wonder where they gave Apple the larger button, and the button below is for Android. So I'm wondering if they do two different functions or whether they are interchangeable. So I'm going to turn on the Bluetooth on this device. There's a knob that you have to turn on the right of this particular remote, so I'll do this. The blinking light indicates that it is ready for pairing, and you can see here it is called AB Shutter 3. So I'll tap on it and I'm going to pair it to this device. So once you do that, the next thing you need to do is to open up your camera. Since it's an Android device, I'm going to test with the Android button what it actually does when you press and when you hold. So if I want to center this on the Shogun microphone and I'm going to press the button once, nice, it works, it takes the picture. However, I'm going to test out the iOS button on top and see what it does. So there's no difference between the iOS button and the Android button on this particular remote. They do the same function, so it's just a matter of aesthetics. Some devices, long pressing the button may video record or may not, so you might have to manually switch to video and start recording. However, in some devices, when you hold the buttons, it automatically begins to record. Now I'm going to set up the Vlog kit. We're going to be gunning for something like this. First thing I'm going to grab is the pistol grip tripod here. Now you can see there's a big red button here on your left. It's enable the strip here move. So you're supposed to put this strip on 90-degree level. That is straight up with this. This is where you now activate your manual gimbal or pistol grip. You can hold this vlogging kit when you're doing probably a TikTok video or a personal selfie video you want to do. This is the front here. Behind it, there's a separator here that goes to the left, the right here, and to the left. So once you do that, you've gotten your tripod. You place it on the table. I'll shift this aside, and you use the red button. Turn this behind you. Use the red button to align this so it becomes straight. The second thing we need to put in here is our smartphone mount. So you grab the smartphone mount, the edge of the smartphone mount that has the connector here, this ring around it here. You put it up first and you connect it to this screw on the tripod. Once you put it on the screw on the tripod, you screw it from below to tighten it so it maintains stability and it is firm on the tripod. My smartphone mount has been firmly attached to my tripod. The next thing that is going to come is our 49 LED video light. Now you can either put it forward or backward depending on what exactly you want to achieve. If you want to achieve a selfie video, it's going to be forward, then the intensity is going to be set to 1. If you want to achieve a backward using the back camera, I suggest you turn all of the setup backwards so you can achieve that. Place this inside here, and below there is a connecting setup here that goes into this top connector on our smartphone mount. So I'll just grab this in and I'll tighten this. Now, pretty simple. We're almost done. We have one more thing here, which is our Shogun microphone, or actively noise cancellation Shogun microphone, that I have finally confirmed. Now, front or back, it depends on you. I would come here straight and I'm going to slide this in behind. Make sure you release this and you tighten it. So once you're done setting it up, you should have your setup that looks just like this. I'll put it side by side with the image on our packaging. I'm going to put a cell phone here to give us the final aesthetic touch here. So I drag this until we have this here, and I'll connect the mic to our 3.5mm jack. So we have a complete setup here. So you can either fold the tripod so it becomes a grip, which you can use to move around and do both front and back vlogging if you want, or a selfie camera. This actually makes sense for TikTokers, especially people that do selfie videos a lot, likey videos, as well as YouTubers as well, who can do very quick videos at a go when they need it and still maintain the semblance of quality. So I can still take this out and spread this so that it becomes a tripod. This is practically one of the pros I like about this particular vlogging kit. The fact that I can alternate between a handheld device and the tripod in just about a second is one of the biggest advantages. So to the pros about this device, I like the fact that it's cheap at 8,000 naira, $19.45. This is a perfect kit for a starter who is into YouTubing, who is into video content, to be able to create something and maintain quality to a certain extent while going for better equipment as time goes on. So for someone like me who belongs to the latter group, this is something of a new experience for me, which I'm going to enjoy. The second pro about this particular thing is that all of these are detachable. They are handheld and they are carryable. So I can move this to anywhere or to any location I want to go to. They are not going to be cumbersome when I'm trying to move. Third and the last particular pro about this device is that it offers me everything I want in one. I get lightning, I get sound, I get a tripod, I get a stand that holds my phone or my device, which is my camera in this sense, and I also get to use this as both a handheld and on a table. So those are the three pros for me. My cons about this particular vlogging kit is also, let's say moving with your hand. If you keep it on the table, you can't do things like moving to corners, moving to angles. It's rigid. That's one of the cons of this particular vlogging kit. There you have it. Tell me what you think about the JumpFlash Vlogging Kit in the comment section below. Whether this is a very, very good kit for starters, and whether this will actually help you in creating media content particularly better. For me, this is a good experience. I look forward to having to do a lot of videos with this particular kit and also see the quality that it offers me when I do my videos as well. Thank you very much, guys. Please do not forget to hit the subscribe button in the comment section below and wait out for new videos as they come. Cheerio. Have an amazing day.